All right, step one, let's remove the boat from the bag and roll out the boat in your desired location. Step two, we're just gonna add a little bit of air pressure into the tubes. I don't wanna see the tubes fully pressurized, just a little bit of air like you see here in the image. Step three, we're gonna inflate the floor fully to 7 to 10 PSI, get that floor nice and rigid for the best performance. Step four, we're gonna circle back to the tubes and add 3.5 PSI for best performance, as well as this is the best time to hook on your seats if you wanna use them for the day. Step five is the inflatable hull. We're gonna add 7 to 10 PSI for the hull. This is gonna give that boat the performance needed to handle those textured days on the water. And step six, the last step, snap on your paddles. Connect the paddles and snap them right into the boat. And that's it. You're ready to go boating. Always boat with safety. Thank you for saying yes to Rover Marine.